Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Cook Tasty with Amy. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious spiced potato and cauliflowers, or as they call it in India, aloo gobi. So let's get started. For this recipe we will need 250 grams cauliflower chopped, 2 large potatoes, 1 large onion, 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, 1 green chili, 4 tablespoons cooking oil, I'm using here olive oil, salt to taste, and turmeric powder half teaspoon, half teaspoon cumin seeds, red chili 1 teaspoon, some coriander 1/4 cup. I'm using frozen coriander and frozen cauliflower. It's better to use fresh one. Turn on the flame and heat a pan. Add oil, then green chilies and garlic, and fry it for a few seconds on a medium flame. After 2 to 3 minutes, add cumin seeds and fry it for some seconds. Now add the potatoes and fry it for 2 to 3 minutes on a medium flame. You may cover the pan so the potato will be cooked faster. After 3 minutes, the potato is fried. Now add the cauliflower and mix it well. Cook it for 3 to 4 minutes on a low flame. No water will be used, therefore the flame should be low. Mix it properly. Cover the pan and cook it for 12 to 15 minutes on a low flame, and keep on stirring in between so it won't burn or stick in the pan. Potato and cauliflower is ready. Turn off the gas and add some coriander leaves and mix it properly. As you can see, it's a very simple dish. It takes just a little time to be ready, but the taste is really awesome. Now take it out in a serving plate. You can garnish it with some coriander leaves, and you can have it with bread, naan, or roti, or any kind of bread. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the thumbs up and leave me a comment. See you again soon. Bye bye.